Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we will check out all the possible solutions to fix WhatsApp right now as of making this video for May 5th, 2025, where WhatsApp is not working for all your older devices or even newer devices on older iOS versions. The methods shown in this video are completely free and they are for educational and informational purposes. And the only goal is to make these older devices usable. This guide applies to iOS 12, iOS 13, iOS 14. If you're using a newer device, you can easily update to the latest iOS version to fix everything up, but it is especially for iPhone 6 users which are on iOS 12.5.7 and there is no update available even. Now when you open WhatsApp and you open a conversation, you are either unable to send a message to any conversation and you see you can't send messages because WhatsApp no longer supports your phone. Or secondly, for some users, if they open it, they are seeing this message right away. WhatsApp no longer supports older versions of iOS and you will have to update. Now we have two solutions. The first one is without a jailbreak. You can simply open settings, go to general, then go to date and time. Now if set automatically is on, turn it off and simply click on the date and turn it back to 4th of May or before. Then simply go back again, go home and then open WhatsApp. You will be able to open it right away without any issues. Yes, you will see this message, hit OK. Now if I load a conversation, you can see that I am now able to send a message without any issues. Let's try. Let's see it works. Now to fix this update message, I already made a video on it. It will be in the description. But the issue is that solution is not working for some people, but you can try it out. Now the second solution where you do not have to turn back the date. Let me set it to the current date. Of course, I will start seeing the message to update to the latest iOS version again. Jailbreak your device. The jailbreak guides are in the description. Once you're jailbroken, open your package manager, Cydia or Celio. Then simply go to search, and if you're jailbroken with a jailbreak with Cydia, make sure that you search for and install substitute, and substrate safe mode will automatically install. But with Celio, you will have to simply search for libhooker common. You can see it on your screen what to type and then install it. You will also have to install preference loader. You can simply search for it and install it. Next is to add a repo. To add a repo, you can simply hit this edit button, hit add, and here you can type a source. For Celio, you will see an add button. So the first repo is cokepokes.github.io and the second is macthemes.me. First of all, open this repo, go to all packages and install App Store++. It is completely free. Modify, install, confirm. And then restart Springboard. Open settings and go all the way down. Then hit App Store++ and make sure there are no errors. Then open the official App Store, go to search, then search for WhatsApp Messenger. You will see open here as we already have installed WhatsApp. Simply press and hold on open or get and you will find this option to upgrade or downgrade. Simply hit it, then wait for a few seconds. Now in some cases you will see only one version. Simply dismiss and retry after some minutes. Now after trying 1 or 2 times, after about 5 to 10 minutes, you can see we have all the available previous versions right here. Scroll down and look for 25.1.80 version. Select it and you will see that it will start to download the version you just selected. If it is not working, you can try any other version. We will just wait for it to finish. Alright, you can see it is now installed. Go back. Let's open WhatsApp. You will see this message to update WhatsApp still. Please do not panic. Go back and simply close it from the app switcher. Now simply open Cydia or Celio depending on the jailbreak you are using. Go to sources and from the second repo we just added, you can see it right here. Open it, all packages, and simply install this package. Alright, you can see it right here. Select it, install. You can see it is completely free. Confirm. then restart Springboard. Simply go in, now open WhatsApp. You can see it is working without any issues. Now if I load a conversation, you can see we are not seeing any error, any message. Let's try to send a message. You can see it is working without any problem. One more thing, if you are using WhatsApp Business, the process is same. Press and hold, upgrade or downgrade. Now here, if you see only one version, do not panic. Try after 5 to 10 minutes or after 1 or 2 tries, and you will see all the previous versions available right here. For WhatsApp Business, you can try using 25.1.81 or 25.1.79. If in case these are not working, you can of course try any other version and it will definitely work for you. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.